Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a Chicken Parmy, better known as a Chicken Parmigiana. The Chicken Parmy is a pub staple here in Australia. It's a chicken schnitzel topped with pasta sauce and grated cheese. To start, you'll need some chicken breasts. Slice them down the middle so you can lay them out flat. Using a mallet or a rolling pin, flatten out the chicken breast. You'll need one breast per Chicken Parmy. Next, you'll need some breadcrumbs. Season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, finally 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Mix the seasoning through the breadcrumbs. Next, in a bowl, crack 4 eggs. Whisk together using a fork, make sure it's fully combined. So first dip the chicken into the egg mixture, then transfer to the breadcrumbs, coating on all sides. You can double coat if you want a thicker breading, but I find once gives you a perfect bite of chicken and breading. Next, fill a pan with half an inch of oil. The oil should be sitting around 355 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Carefully lower the chicken into the oil away from yourself. Cook on each side for 4 minutes. Turn over and carefully lower it back into the oil. Cook for another 4 minutes. Once cooked, remove from the oil and let it drain. Transfer to a tray lined with baking paper. Spoon on your choice of pasta sauce. Top with some grated cheddar cheese. Place it under the grill until it's golden brown. There you have it, a Chicken Parmy, aka Chicken Parmigiana. This takes the humble chicken schnitzel to the next level. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.